Yung last apartment naman na pinuntahan namin is Avenue Living. So, merong Madison apartment at saka yung sa Waiver 3. So, ayan. Yung mga videos niyan, makikita nyo na lang. I-attach ko after nito. So, sa Waiver 3 naman, tsaka sa Avenue Living, hindi sila ganun kahigpit sa bedroom. So, na-allowed kami ng 2 bedroom for family of 4. Ayan. Medyo may kamahalan din siya. Nasa 1.6 something yung 2 bedroom na available. Ayun. Nandito nga pala ako sa school. Sa likod ng San Lorenzo Ruiz. Nandito kami sa park. Ayan. Kaya maraming mga batang naglalaro. Ayan. So sa Waiver 3, medyo maganda yung layout ng apartment. So, umaasa na lang kasi kami kung saan kami maa-approve, kung anong ibibigay sa amin ni Lord na lugar, yun ang tatanggapin namin. Kasi kinukonsider namin yung safety ng mga bata. Ayan.
Of apartments where you will be in an apartment, but it's like a townhouse.
Yeah.
You get what I mean? Yeah. It's beautiful.
This is the main living.
Yeah, the living room. So here is your dining section and your kitchen. Your kitchen area. Then you go upstairs to your
dining.
Room.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That was why I said I like showing this one.
That's why I was looking like, where's the room?
Right.
So there's some stairs.
Yeah.
I am surprised.
I know, right?
This is not the usual layout. Yeah. This is the nice. Parang storage yan ano. Ay, parang okay siya. Two bedroom. Storage pa rin siya, parang office. Ang cute. Ay, parang gusto ko siya. Ito yung 2 bedroom. Patay may ilaw. Ito is parang office.
Let's go to the next one.
Yeah, I'll just turn off the lights.
2 bedroom, right?
Yeah.